Today we're working on lesson 132. Remember, our end of the year goal is lesson 150. Today we're going to learn a new rule and play a game. Listen to the rule. If the teacher holds up a hand, touch your head. Listen again. If the teacher holds up a hand, touch your head. Say the rule. Get ready. Yes, if the teacher holds up a hand, touch your head. Tell me, what are you going to do if the teacher holds up a hand? Get ready. Yes, touch my head. Are you going to touch your head if the teacher holds up a hand? Get ready. Yes. Are you going to touch your head if the teacher stands up? Get ready. No. Are you going to touch your head if the teacher claps? Get ready. No. Think big. What's the rule? Get ready. If the teacher holds up a hand, touch your head. Let's see if I can trick you. Get ready. Now. Let's see if I can trick you. Get ready. Let's see if I can trick you. Get ready. Awesome. Okay, we're going to tell why things are the same and why they are different. Listen, a sock and a shoe. Think of them. See if you can name 2 ways that they are the same. You told me how a sock and a shoe are. Get ready. Yes, the same. A sock and a shoe. Think of them. See if you can name 2 ways they are different. You told me how a sock and a shoe are. Get ready? Yes, different. Let's do another one. Listen, a paper bag and a suitcase. Think of them. See if you can name 2 ways they are the same. You told me how a paper bag and a suitcase are. Get ready? Yes, the same. Listen, a paper bag and a suitcase. Think of them. See if you can name 2 ways they are different. You told me how a paper bag and a suitcase are. Get ready? Yes, different. Listen, you've already learned the opposite of asleep. What's the opposite of asleep? Get ready? Yes, awake. What's the opposite of awake? Get ready. Yes, asleep. Listen to these opposites. The boxes were the opposite of big. So what do you know about them? Get ready? Yes, they were small. The window was the opposite of closed. So what do you know about it? Get ready? Yes, it was open. The furnace is the opposite of full. So what do you know about it? Get ready? Yes, it is empty. A house is the opposite of hot. So what do you know about it? Get ready? Yes, it is cold. A girl is the opposite of sad. So what do you know about her? Get ready? Yes, she is happy. A rabbit is the opposite of asleep. So what do you know about it? Get ready? Yes, it is awake. An oven is the opposite of dry. So what do you know about it? Get ready? Yes, it is wet. Here are new opposites. The opposite of early is late. What is the opposite of early? Get ready. Yes, late. What's the opposite of late? Get ready. Yes, early. When we got to the party, we were the opposite of late. So what do you know about the time? Get ready. Yes, it was early. Listen, Henry was always the opposite of early. So what do you know about Henry? Get ready. Yes, he was always late. The woman came to work the opposite of late. So what do you know about when she came to work? Get ready. Yes, she came early. Listen to these opposites. The door was the opposite of closed. So what do you know about it? Get ready. Yes, it was open. The birds were the opposite of asleep. So what do you know about them? Get ready. Yes, they were awake. A can was the opposite of long. So what do you know about it? Get ready. Yes, it was short. A room is the opposite of cold. So what do you know about it? Get ready. Yes, it is hot. Listen, it's time for an absurdity. Why do we need ladders? And why do we need shovels? Would you use a ladder to sweep a sidewalk? Get ready. No, that would be absurd. Would you use a ladder to get to a high place? Get ready. Yes. Would you use a ladder to eat with? Get ready. No, that would be absurd. On the next page, we're going to see a picture with a ladder in it. See if you can find something in the picture that is absurd. Look at the picture. The girl is doing something absurd with the ladder. What is she doing that is absurd? Get ready. Yes, she is digging a hole. Why is it absurd to dig a hole with a ladder? Good ideas. What could the girl do with the ladder? What should the girl use to dig a hole? Get ready. Yes, a shovel. What do you really use to dig a big, big hole? Would you climb to a high place with a shovel? What would you use to get to a high place? Let's see what you remember. What do we call a person who fixes teeth? Get ready. Yes, a dentist. What do we call a place where a dentist works? Get ready. Yes, a dentist's office. What do we call a person who helps a dentist? Get ready. Yes, a dental assistant. Let's see if you remember some of the things that you see in a doctor's office. What is this person called? Get ready. Yes, a dental assistant. What is this person called? Get ready. Yes, a patient. What is this? Get ready. Yes, a drill. What is this? Get ready. Yes, a dentist chair. What are these? Get ready. Yes, dental tools. What do we call the place you see in this picture? Get ready. Yes, a dentist's office. Let's talk some more about this picture. Touch a person. What kind of person is this? Say the whole thing about this person. Touch a container. What kind of container is that? Say the whole thing about this container. Let's talk some more about a dentist's office. Why does a dentist need a dental assistant? Why do you think the patient came to the dentist's office? Why does the dentist need a drill? Why does the patient sit in a special chair? Why does a dentist have dental tools? Why do you think the patient in the picture is happy? What can make a tooth hurt? How can a dentist make a patient feel better? Thanks for answering all those questions about a dentist. Let's see how much information you can remember. What do we call a place where airplanes land? Get ready. Yes, an airport. Say the whole thing. Get ready. Yes, an airport is a place where airplanes land. What do we call a person who drives a vehicle? Get ready. Yes, a driver. Say the whole thing about a driver. Get ready. Yes, a driver is a person who drives a vehicle. What do we call a big vehicle that goes on an ocean? Get ready. Yes, a ship. Say the whole thing about a ship. Get ready. Yes, a ship is a big vehicle that goes on an ocean. What do we call a sandy place next to water? Get ready. Yes, a beach. Say the whole thing about a beach. Get ready. Yes, a beach is a sandy place next to water. Get ready for some new information. Listen. A pilot is a person who flies an airplane. What do we call a person who flies an airplane? Get ready. Yes, a pilot. Say the whole thing. Get ready. Yes, a pilot is a person who flies an airplane. What do we call a sandy place next to water? Get ready. Yes, a beach. Say the whole thing about a beach. Get ready. Yes, a beach is a sandy place next to water. What do we call a person who flies an airplane? Get ready. Yes, a pilot. Say the whole thing. Get ready. Yes, a pilot is a person who flies an airplane. Good. Remember about a pilot for tomorrow. I'll turn the page and we'll see a picture of a pilot. Look at the picture of the pilot. Where do you think the pilot is going? Would you like to get on that airplane? Where would you like to go? Here's the rule for these girls. Listen. If a girl is wearing a dress, she has a coin. Listen again. If a girl is wearing a dress, she has a coin. Say the rule. Get ready. Yes, if a girl is wearing a dress, she has a coin. Let's look at the girls. Is this girl wearing a dress? Get ready. Yes. So does the rule tell you about this girl? Get ready. Yes. What does the rule tell you about this girl? Get ready. Yes, she has a coin. Is this girl wearing a dress? Get ready. No. So does the rule tell you about this girl? Get ready. No. Is this girl wearing a dress? Get ready. No. So does the rule tell you about this girl? Get ready. No. Tell me, which girl has a coin? Get ready. Yes, the girl wearing a dress. Let's turn the page and see if you're right. Were you right? Get ready. Yes. Everybody, what's the rule about a girl who is wearing a dress? Get ready. Yes, if a girl is wearing a dress, she has a coin. Now let's talk about each girl. Is this girl wearing a dress? Get ready. Yes. So does the rule tell you about this girl? Get ready. Yes. Is this girl wearing a dress? Get ready. No. So does the rule tell you about this girl? Get ready. No. Is this girl wearing a dress? Get ready. No. So does the rule tell you about this girl? Get ready. No. Everybody, what's the rule? Get ready. Yes, if a girl is wearing a dress, she has a coin. Look at the picture. Tell me the name of this object. Get ready. Yes, a tree. Tell me the name of this object. Get ready. Yes, a boy. Tell me the name of this object. Get ready. Yes, a dog. Listen carefully. One of these objects is smaller. Which object is smaller? The tree or the boy? Get ready. Yes, the boy is smaller than. Get ready. Say the whole thing about the boy. Get ready. Yes, the boy is smaller than the tree. Listen carefully. One of these objects is bigger. Which object is bigger? The dog or the boy? Get ready. Yes, the boy is bigger than. Get ready. Yes, the dog. Say the whole thing about the boy. Get ready. Everyone think big. How many seasons are in a year? Get ready. Yes, 4. Let's name the 4 seasons of the year. Get ready. Let's name those again. Get ready. Winter, spring, summer, fall. Look at our picture. Get ready to tell me what season it shows. Everyone, what season? Get ready. Yes, winter. Think big. Look at the picture. Name some things in this picture that tell you it's winter. Before we begin, make sure that you have workbook lesson 132. You'll need your pencil to make your pencil marks for the rules and your coloring chart so you know which colors go with the symbols. Let's get started. Everyone, find the lion. Here's the coloring rules for the picture. Make all the small containers yellow. What's the rule? Get ready. Yes, make all the small containers yellow. So mark one of the small containers yellow. Remember, you'll write Y for yellow. Here's another coloring rule for this picture. Make all the big containers blue. What's the rule? Get ready. Yes, make all the bigger containers blue. So mark one of the big containers blue. Remember, we write BL for blue. Later, you'll color the containers and the other objects in the pictures. Be sure that the other objects in the pictures make sense. Let's find the eggs. Find the eggs. Okay, you're going to color the eggs. One picture shows some of the eggs in the basket. Those eggs should be green. Make a green mark on the picture that shows some of the eggs in the basket. Remember to write G for green. Here's the rule for the picture that shows all of the eggs in the basket. Those eggs should be purple. Make a purple mark on the picture that shows all of the eggs in the basket. Remember, we write P-U for purple. Here's the rule for the picture that shows none of the eggs in the basket. Those eggs should be yellow. Make a yellow mark in the picture that shows none of the eggs in the basket. Remember, we write Y for yellow. Later, you'll color your pictures. Everyone turn your workbook page over and find the cat. Here's a coloring rule for the chair. Color the rungs purple. What's the rule? Get ready. Yes, color the rungs purple. Be sure to mark each rung with PU for purple. Here's another coloring rule for the chair. Color the back brown. What's the rule? Get ready. So mark the back brown. Remember, we use BR for brown. Here's another coloring rule for the chair. Color the legs orange. What's the rule? Get ready. Yes, color the legs orange. So mark each leg orange. Remember, we use O for orange. Part of the chair is missing. What part? Get ready. Yes, the seat. So before you color the seat, you're going to follow the dots with your pencil. Here's the coloring rule for the seat of the chair. Color the seat pink. What's the rule? Get ready. So put a pink mark where the seat should be. Remember, we write P for pink. Later, you're going to color all the objects. Remember, the marks show you what color to make the parts of the chair. You'll make the other objects any colors that you want, just as long as they make sense. Everyone, find the bat. Find the bat. This picture is supposed to show things that are made of wood, but some of the objects are wrong. Here's the rule for this picture. The things that are made of wood should be red. Remember, we write R for red. The things that are not made of wood should be some other color. You get to choose. Make a red mark on something made of wood. Remember, write R for red. Make a different colored mark on something that is not made of wood. Good. Later, you'll color the picture. Remember to use colors that make sense for the other objects. Use your best coloring. We're coloring in the lines, following our coloring rules, and doing our best work.